Moosend versus MailerLite. Two popular email marketing platforms, each promising to transform your campaigns. So, which one really delivers? On the left, Moosend, advanced automation for growing businesses. On the right, MailerLite, simplicity perfected for small teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Every category earns points, so by the end, you'll see who truly comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're going to pit Moosend and MailerLite head-to-head in 5 main categories: price, automation and features, user experience, e-commerce and integrations, and support and help. Got it? All right, let's jump into each one. Kicking off with price. So, Moosend, it's honestly super transparent. The scaling is budget-friendly, and you get a feature-packed free trial for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is ridiculously generous. But just a heads up, they do hold back a few e-commerce perks unless you go up a tier. Now, MailerLite, it's super affordable if your list is small, and they've got a free plan, which is nice. Here's the catch. Their starting price is a tad steeper, and some fees sorta sneak up on you as you grow. At the end of the day, Moosend really walks away with the win here. Honestly, the value is just stronger. All right, let's talk automation and features. Moosend is like, wow, crazy advanced. You're looking at custom workflows, killer segmentation, personalization options, and they've even tossed in some AI magic for writing and tracking. Real-time reporting? Of course. The trade-off is, it's not click and set simple. Expect a bit of a learning curve, especially if you dig into the deep stuff. Then there's MailerLite. Its automation is way easier to use and segmentation works fine, but don't expect any AI bells and whistles or fancy e-commerce automation here. So, if you want powerful features, Moosend is the clear winner. User experience, right? So, Moosend gives you a modern dashboard and templates you can tweak till they're just right. Sometimes you do end up hunting for settings. They can be a bit buried, not gonna lie. On the other hand, MailerLite nails that drag and drop vibe. The whole thing feels super approachable, especially for beginners. Campaign setup, fast and easy. The only thing is, it's not the deepest tool out there for pros craving more control. But in terms of pure usability, MailerLite edges ahead in this round. Oh, and here's something cool before we jump to the next comparison. Did you know Moosend uses AI to help draft optimized email subject lines? It's literally like having your own robot copywriter. That's a smart little bonus, right? Okay, e-commerce and integrations. Moosend seriously goes all out here, with slick tracking on your actual shop and integrations that plug right into pretty much any storefront you've got. For small lists, though, honestly, it might be overkill. Now, MailerLite has integrations too, and can manage the basics like standard tracking and hooks with other apps, but it just doesn't hit the same level for e-commerce. So, Moosend's taking the crown on this one. Support and help, because everyone gets stuck sometimes, right? Moosend gives you everything on all plans, from live chat to phone or email help. No hoops, just real support. MailerLite also scores well. Their support crew is legit, but just so you know, phone support isn't always a sure thing. If your business needs quick, reliable help, Moosend is going to come through stronger. So here's how it all shakes out on the radar. Moosend kind of dominates in price, automation, e-commerce, and support. MailerLite's really only taking the lead in user experience, which, to be fair, means a lot if you're a beginner. Seeing all this together, the strengths are pretty obvious. Honestly, here's the real talk. If you want heavy-duty automation, analytics, or run an e-commerce store, Moosend is where you want to be. But if you're more about keeping things simple, stylish, and just getting your first campaigns out without the stress, MailerLite's going to feel like home. Pick what fits, and don't overthink it. Enjoyed this comparison? Awesome. Hit follow for more reviews and all the freshest email marketing tips. Stay tuned.